how to get your hidden apps back iOS 18. So here I have my Facebook application hidden. So if I search for the Facebook app using the Spotlight search, you discover that the Facebook app is no longer available here. And if I go to the app library here and I search for Facebook, so the Facebook application will no longer available on my iPhone because the Facebook app is hidden. Now to get back the Facebook application is quite easy and straightforward. So you can replicate this on all applications you have hidden on your iPhone to get them back to the app page or app screen. So if I don't know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to get your hidden apps back on iOS 18, all you just need to do is just swipe the app screen, just swiping on to get to the app library. On the app library, you have different categories or folders like this. Now I want to scroll down to the page until you get to the bottom of the page. On the bottom of the page, right, there is a feature called hidden. So that's a new folder for all your hidden apps on your iPhone. Then click on it and you'll be prompted to authenticate this with your Face ID. So make sure you focus on it so that your iPhone can recognize your Face ID and then give access or grant access to the hidden folder. Now to get back the application to your iPhone app screen, all you just need to do is press and hold the application. And once you press and hold the application, locate don't require Face ID and then click on that. Then authenticate your Face ID and you see the hidden application removed from the hidden folder. So if you come back to the hidden folder, you discover that you no longer have any application on the hidden folder. Now if you come back to the app screen, the Facebook application or the hidden application will be yet to add to the app screen, and if you search for it, discover that it's not available on the top 8. Now this is it. To bring back the hidden app to your app screen, come back to the app library, locate the application, in this case the Facebook application, press and hold it or long press, and then click on add to home screen. Now once you click on add to home screen, you see the Facebook application added to your iPhone home screen. You can also press and hold the home screen, then drag the Facebook application to wherever you want to drag it to on the app screen. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. Then that is it. So that is basically how to get your hidden apps back iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.